My name is Victoria, and I've been a patient at Pearl for probably about 4 years now. I met Dr. Salem actually at an outside work event. She was just so outgoing and fun from the beginning that we just started talking, and I found out that she actually had a practice in Holbrook, which is where I lived. I was like, I have to go there. We got to switch over there. I've kind of had this irrational, maybe not rational fear of the dentist since I was a kid. And I just, because of that, put off any type of dental work. And I just figured if I told myself, if I just don't address it, it'll hopefully go away. But no, it doesn't go away. It just gets worse.
Victoria is a patient who brings life to our practice when she comes here. And the reason that she feels that way when she comes here is because we made some life-changing decisions for her. We helped her and gave her some dentistry that prior to seeing us, she was very, very afraid of dentistry. She had many, many issues with several missing teeth. She needed implants. She was very apprehensive in the beginning. Our first few procedures that we did for Victoria, we needed to use oral sedation. She needed something to feel relaxed and be able to get her dentistry that she needed, and we were able to offer that to her. It wasn't long until Victoria felt very comfortable in our office and no longer needed to be sedated while she received her dental care. And she went through her full treatment. She received several implants, and she smiles brightly, and we're happy to have her as a part of our team, Pearl.
I can't take enough opportunities to just tell everybody I know, come to Pearl, because if I see it on Facebook, if I see it on a mom group, if I hear people talking, oh, I need a good dentist, I need somewhere to go, you have to go to Pearl because Dr. Salem is the best. Any type of fear, any type of reluctance or apprehension, you don't have to have it when you come here because they will take it away.